Hello friends, welcome to the script text tutorial of creating an Indian flag. So script text we offer web app design and development course which will cost INR 30,000, and if you are interested please contact us at scripttext.com, or you can WhatsApp us at 904201358. So let's start our coding here. Okay, so what I did is uh, we have downloaded Visual Studio Code Editor, and in the extensions you just go here and then go for Go Live plugin. Okay, so and then you can install the plugin there. Go Live, just search for live server. Okay, so that will help you out to find the live server. Okay, once you go for that live server you will have it here, which is on the here I have installed 5 server. Okay, so just give it as 5 server. So okay. So that will start the server for us. Alright, so here let's create a file called as index.html, and then for the styling let's go for style.css. Okay, for the nodes we'll go for nodes.txt. Right, so here let's create a HTML file, html:5. Okay, and then we'll give the title as Indian flag. Okay, and then let's link the CSS. Okay, style.css. Okay, perfect. So it's my server is running on this port address. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go here, I'll paste it here. Okay, so this is my output. Okay, so what I'll do is for easy development I'll take this side by side. Okay, I'll take this one code on the side by side. So perfect, we will have the full output here. Okay, let's close this. So our project is ready to set. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is we just going to confirm whether our style is working fine. So let's go for body background black. Okay, and then let's check whether our body is getting updated. Yes, our body is getting updated. Right, so let's go for body. Okay, margin :0. So let's reset. Okay, padding :0. Okay, and height :100 ph. Okay, and then we are restricting the height, we don't want the scroll bar. Okay, and then display flex. Okay, and then justify content center. So this will align the items, the elements to the center. Okay, items, align items center. Alright, so what we need is we need a flag here. Okay, so we will go for a flag. So let's go for the flag. Okay, so dot flag. Okay, so that will be, so we need a width here. So for time being I'm just giving a some number, okay, which is 30 pixel. Let's go for 300 pixel, and then height :100 pixel. Okay, so let's see, and then border :1 pixel solid black. Okay, so we'll see the output here. Okay, so we got it on the center of the screen. Okay, so now let's go for some notes. Okay, so Indian flag dimensions. Okay, so the flag should be always in 3:2 ratio. Okay, so the flag ratio is 3:2. Okay, so one side if I get 300, so the other side should be 200 pixels. Okay, so this should be 200 pixels. Okay, so what I will do is let's go for width will be 600 pixels. Okay, so this will be 400 pixels. So 2:3 ratio. Okay, so let's see the output. It has gone very much. Okay, so let's go for 150. 150 is 450. Okay, so let's go for 450 and 300. Okay, yeah, so this will be our proper ratio. Okay, so width will be 150 pixel, sorry, one part will be 150, so 3 into 150. Okay, which is equal to 450 pixel. Okay, and height will be 2 into 150, which is equal to 300 pixel. Okay, so this is why we got this. Okay, now we need 3 rectangles. Okay, so let's go for the color code. Color code Indian flag. Okay, so these are the color codes. Okay, saffron, white, green, and navy blue. Okay, so let's copy these color codes. Okay, okay, so what we need is, now the Indian flag is divided into 3 parts. Okay, so first one is the saffron, second one is the white, third one is the green one. Okay, so all 3 are rectangles, so inside this we have 3 rectangles. Okay, so div dot rect, let's go for 3 rectangles. Okay, the first rectangle will have saffron, okay, as background color. The second rectangle will be white in color, and the third rectangle will be green in color. Okay, so let's go for the dot rectangle. Okay, so by default you can see the whole is divided into 3 parts. Okay, the height is divided into 3 parts, so by default this one height will be 100 pixels. Okay, and then dot saffron. Okay, so this will be background color. The saffron background color will be this one. Okay, so let's copy, let's paste it over here. Now if you see here, this has come to 1/3. Okay, so the next one is white and the next one is green. Okay, so this will be the white, okay, which is FFF, FFF. Okay, and the last one is the green. Okay, so we have our green color here. Okay, so let's copy this, let's paste over here. We got the green. Okay, so we got the basic structure. Okay, now inside this we have the circle. Okay, inside that circle we have 24 spokes here. Okay, so we need a circle here, so what we will do is, let's create a box here. Okay, so div dot circle. All right, so let's go here. Okay, let's go for the circle, dot circle. Okay, and then let's go for width. All right, so let's check whether if there is any dimension for that. Okay, so chakra is with 24. Okay, so let's check. So chakra. Okay, so basically that will be the height. Okay, so let's go for 100 pixel. Okay, so width colon 100 pixel, and then height colon 100 pixel. Okay, so just let's see, keep on seeing the output. Okay, and then border colon 1 pixel, let's go for 2 pixel, solid, and then let's go for the navy blue color. Okay, so see the preview on the right hand side. Okay, this is the preview on the right hand side. All right, now this should be a circle. Okay, so for that, border radius 50% will give us perfect circle. All right, now this should be in the center. Okay, so what we need to do is, we need to align it to the center. There are different ways. One way is using flexbox. Okay, so here we'll use display flex, which is in the white band. In the white band we are going to use display flex, justify content, center, align items, center. Okay, actually the justify content itself is good. Okay, we have the circle inside. Now inside the circle we need 24 spokes. Okay, so 24 spokes is we need uh, 12 spokes. Okay, if we get 12 spokes, then we will get 24 spokes there. Okay, so what we will do is let's create two spokes. Okay, only within this time. Okay, inside the circle. Okay, I will call it as div dot spoke. Okay, so let's create one spoke now for testing purpose. Okay, so here this one, what we will do is we will put position relate. Okay, right. So now this one dot spoke, is that right? So dot spoke. Okay, why spoke dot? Because it is a class. Okay, so we'll have here width colon 2 pixel. Okay, height colon 100 pixel. Okay, and then yeah, let's go for this itself, or let's go for this one. What is this? Background color. Alright, so we got our first spoke here. Okay, we got our first spoke. Okay, so this should be exactly at the center. Okay, so what we need to do is, so that's why we went for position relative there. So okay, position absolute. Okay, and then sorry, left colon 50 percentage. Okay, so you can see it came to the 50 percentage. Okay, and then that's it. Okay, so the next one is we need another spoke. Okay, so we need another spoke. Okay, now this spoke is the second item. Okay, so dot spoke colon nth child. Okay, the child is second one. Okay, so this one we need to rotate. Okay, so transform rotate. Okay, so what is the angle of every spoke? Okay, so it will be 15 degree. Okay, angle of Ashoka Chakra in Indian flag. Okay, just Google it, you'll get an answer. Okay, so it will be 15 degrees. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to rotate it by 15 degree. Okay, so we need same for the next one. Okay, which is third. Okay, so 15 plus 15, 30 degree. Okay, so let's have here another spoke which is for 30 degree. Okay, so similarly we will have another 3. Okay, so there are total 6, so we need to have up to 6 numbers. Okay, so only for the first one we don't have, it will be at 0 degree. Okay, so 2 3, this one is 4th spoke, this one is 5th spoke, this one is 6, this one is 7. Okay, so the first one is 15 degree, the second one is 30, third one is 45. So just keep on adding. Okay, fourth one is 60, the next one is 75. Okay, and then this one is 90. Okay, so 7. Okay, and then 3 plus 3 is 6 is there, so we'll go for another 6. Okay, so there will be 12 spokes. Okay, so if you have 12 spoke, it will come to 24 thing. Okay, so this will be 7. Okay, and then I need another 5, so I'll go for this. Okay, 7, and then 8 is 105. okay, and then 9 is 120, okay, and then 10, which is 135, and then 11, which is 145, 150, and then 12th one is 165. Alright, perfect. So our Indian flag is done with CSS. Alright, so it's drawing an Indian flag is literally simple. Okay, so this is only for practicing CSS. Okay, so here we will remove this border black here, so it looks alright. Thank you guys, thank you for watching the tutorial.